Hi, I'm Italia Auto Parts and welcome to another episode on the 145. It's been a few months since I've been able to do an update on this video, just purely because of other projects and I've been waiting for some more parts to arrive. All the painted parts are now here now, so I can fit everything on the exterior and get it looking like it should. Boot spoiler fitted. On to the next part. I think we shall do the door handles next. One of the easiest parts you could possibly fit. For the life of me, I'm not going to remember how to put this in. Okay, there we go. I am just missing the little bung which goes in there. I did save it, but I've totally forgot where I put it. So I'm going to have to find that out or try and make another one. Next job. Now for the fog light surrounds, I do still need to get some fog lights. So I've got to order some of those off the internet, but we'll put them in anyway. So there we are, another step closer with the 145. Only a short video today because I've literally just put all the body panels back on that needed to go back on. Do still have a fair old whack of things to do. I've got the arch liners to put back on. I've got to sort out the throttle cable because it appears to be a bit too short for some reason now and it's over revving. A few bits on the interior that need sorting out, and a few bits of the trim needs sticking on properly, like the side skirts need screwing in and the badges need putting back on. So at least we're at the point where it's nearly the end of the line now with this, so I'll be glad to hopefully get it finished by the end of July. So yeah, watch out for the next update. See you soon. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.